In today's fast-paced retail world, a dependable and uninterrupted point-of-sale system is critical for corporate success. However, intermittent internet connectivity issues or unreliable networks can disrupt sales activities and reduce client satisfaction. To address this issue, Shopify POS offers an innovative solution: offline mode. Shopify POS enables shops to continue serving their customers effortlessly by allowing them to conduct transactions and save data even when they do not have an internet connection. In this video, we'll look at the relevance and benefits of offline mode in Shopify POS, as well as how it transforms retail operations. Accepting interrupted sales. The retail industry operates in a variety of locales, from bustling city centers to isolated regions with inadequate internet connectivity. In such cases, the traditional reliance on an internet-dependent POS system can prove to be a big impediment. Offline mode in Shopify POS eliminates this limitation, allowing retailers to conduct business regardless of network access. With offline mode, businesses may conduct transactions, take payments, and issue receipts even when an internet connection is unavailable or inconsistent. This function guarantees that sales activities run well, eliminating downtime and increasing income potential. Customers can finish their purchases without interruption, resulting in a great shopping experience and customer satisfaction. Data synchronization and data security. Offline mode in Shopify POS goes beyond simple transaction processing to provide extensive data synchronization features. When an internet connection is restored, Shopify POS instantly syncs the offline sales data with the central system, guaranteeing that no data is lost. This continuous synchronization ensures that shops have accurate and up-to-date sales data at all times. Data security is a critical concern for merchants, and offline mode in Shopify POS efficiently addresses this issue. While offline, the system securely retains sales data on the device, ensuring that sensitive client information and transaction details are safeguarded. Offline mode reduces the dangers of data breaches and unauthorized access by reducing the dependency on constant internet connectivity. Flexibility and mobility. One of the most major benefits of offline mode in Shopify POS is the freedom it provides retailers. It frees them from the limits of being confined to a set location with reliable internet connectivity. Retailers may take their business wherever and serve clients without restrictions, whether it's a pop-up shop, a trade exhibition, or an outdoor event. The mobility feature of offline mode allows shops to engage in face-to-face encounters with customers and create a personalized purchasing experience. They can move around the store or event space with ease, serving customers, showing products, and processing transactions on the spot. This dynamic strategy boosts customer engagement and brand loyalty. Furthermore, the offline option in Shopify POS is very useful for enterprises with many locations. In the event that one store's connectivity fails, retailers can effortlessly convert to offline mode without interrupting the complete sales process. This adaptability ensures that business operations continue uninterrupted, independent of individual shop connectivity issues. Inventory control and insights inventory management is a vital component of retail operations, and offline mode in Shopify POS contains powerful functionality to meet this demand. Retailers can continue tracking inventory levels, creating sales statistics, and managing goods even while offline. This functionality eliminates stock irregularities and guarantees that retailers always have proper visibility into their inventory. Furthermore, offline mode enables companies to get useful insights about customer behavior and sales patterns, even in places with little or no internet connectivity. This data may be evaluated later when an internet connection is available, allowing businesses to make informed decisions about product assortment, marketing methods, and inventory restocking